Welcome to our next vid.
Yeah.
So for today guys, our vlog today is about close open eye. So mora ni ate. Dungan taog close eyes. Moingon si daddy open. Open tan duha. Kung moingon si daddy close tan duha. Kung dapat magdungan gitag open and close, kung dili ta magdungan closer ang usa na tong duha. Kung kinsay maka-winner, tagaan og tik. You ready? Okay. Ready? Tarong. Dapat mo follow ka kada instruction ha. May ko nga via close eyes, close din ta. Via open eyes, open ta. Okay? Sige. Trial. 1, 2, 3, go. Via open eyes. Again. Via close eyes. Via close eyes. Open. Okay. Final na eh. Trial pa man to. Sige. Are you ready? Ready, set, go. Via open eyes. Close eyes. Close eyes. Close eyes. Open eyes. Open eyes. Close eyes. Open. Close. Ano open? Again. So, loser ka. Wala TikTok. Si daddy may TikTok 1 ha.
Sige.
Okay. So, kung follow ka ka daddy instruction na kay TikTok. Okay. Are you ready? Go. Close eyes. Open. Close eyes. Close eyes. Ano yun? Loser. I-close ang door eh. Madunggan to ni mami sa babo. Makamata niya siya. I-close pa dito. Madunggan dito.